Welcome back. Joining us on the show now is Krishna Goyal. Mr. Goyal, thank you so much for joining in. And it really seems to be silver that is making headlines right now. We're trading at around all-time highs, $0.50 away from 54.5, really 88% of gains in this year, best year in last 10 years and more. As has been the case in gold, with the price rise, the volumes have declined. Would you say that really is not the case with silver? There are buyers and some more buyers now coming in.
You see, basically, as I told you even previously, that silver is being used also a lot in industrial sector, like all the electronics, the EVs that we are making, all the batteries. So the consumption of silver, actually, if you see, it is much higher than the actual production. In case of gold, yes, the consumption has gone down because there are less buyers now. But in silver, it is on increasing trend.
I get your point, Mr. Goyal, that industrial demand has been increasing. But what about the investment demand? Because we're looking at newer category of people now coming in for silver with the kind of returns it's given.
Yes, you see, everyone sees that there will be a good increase and good return on investment even in silver. That's why if you look near Diwali, there was no silver available in market. And the premium in Indian market went up to 40,000 rupees, which was unprecedented. So the new category of investors is jumping into this category for investment purpose, but at the same time, the demand for jewelry, because lifestyle is changing with weddings being done out of their own town, destination weddings, everyone wants to have jewelry which is safe and which they can easily wear. So silver, even in terms of jewelry, the demand has increased. In industrial use, the demand has increased. So there is all positive signs. I mean, almost 7 to 8% production is less than the overall demand.
Oh, absolutely. In the Indian context then, Mr. Goyal, are we looking at more people investing as in sense of industry as well? Until now, it has been about diamond jewelry stores and gold stores. Are we looking at more single silver stores coming up as well?
You see, this trend will certainly will be up. If we look at the West, there were a lot of gold buyers and the shops were only selling gold or diamond studded jewelry. But slowly, the trend changes and there were single stores for silver jewelry and the articles. So India will see the dramatic change because of the lifestyle and the new generation which won't use jewelry for their everyday use. Today, everyone is not looking only for the investment, but also for personal adornment. So that shift is being noticed strongly from in last couple of years.
Mr. Goyal, what is your sense also on prices from here? 87% of gains already. If you look at the last 2 years, it has been 165% of gains. So silver clearly has been on fire for the last couple of years. How is the outlook now for 2026?
You see, basically, it will keep on increasing, maybe not that speedily as it has been in past couple of years. But since, as I told you, that the production is less, demand is more, so the trend will continue to upwards.
Mr. Goyal, the kind of buying that we've seen in Indian markets, jewelry you already have spoken about, and then, of course, the investment demand in coins and bars is another thing. But would you say the usual silver purchase in India that clearly has been about, utensils and statues, etc., is that continuing as well at these current levels?
You see, Manisha, if you remember, I remember from my childhood, every Diwali, every Dhanteras, my grandfather used to buy silver coins. So in Indian culture, the silver has always played a very important role. In our houses, we see that even in our daily uses, we use a lot of silver glasses, silver mugs, So the articles per se will always be in demand in India.
Oh, well, absolutely. Very well said. Yes, when it comes to silver, whether it's about investment and bar coins, gifting, it has been a way of culture and, of course, investment and now industrial demand as well. So absolutely, the prices are expected to continue to go higher from here. Mr. Goyal, as always, thank you so much for taking time out and joining in and weighing in with your sense on where the silver perhaps could be headed. Well, with that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll talk more about markets and, of course, the second quarter GDP and what's expected from that one today.